Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to connect Epic Games to Steam. To start the process, open Epic Games on your PC. Now click on Profile icon on your top right corner. Here, click on Account. After that, click on Apps and Account from the left dashboard. From here, you can connect any of these apps. Now click on Connect for Steam. Here, click on Link Account. Now enter your username and password. After that, click on Sign In. You can also sign in using your Steam account. Note that EpicGames.com is not affiliated with Steam or Valve. Then click on Sign In. Then click on Link Account. Now your Epic Games account is connected to Steam. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.